welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's been a minute. This is Ryder. I'm Alyssa, and yeah, it's been a minute since I've vlogged on this channel, and I just really wanted to start back up again because I missed it. I missed documenting our simple days of life, and today is Monday, and I'm gonna try to do every now and then maybe weekly vlogs or daily vlogs, and this one's gonna include a couple days. Pono's here. And yeah, this is a Monday. We did a couple things today. We're about to start cooking dinner. I'll show you that. Baby. We're having steak for dinner. You have something to say? You say hi. Hi, vlog. All right, dinner is done. Steak by Pono. Mine's cut up because I like it cut up, and also I like mine well done. Then we have some bread and olive oil inspired by CPK because that's my favorite. Some mixed veggies. And for Ryder, because he can't eat steak, he doesn't have teeth yet, so it'd be really hard for him to do that. We have white rice, some veggies, and beans. Knuckles? Yeah? Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I didn't vlog at all really yesterday because Tuesdays are usually our super busy work days, and I had a video shoot for most of the morning to afternoon, and yeah, it just was really busy. But today's Wednesday, and I'm actually about to head to Target with Ryder so Poto can stay home and get some work done, and we're just gonna go on a quick errand to get a bunch of Mother's Day cards for my mom and my grandmas, and I'm gonna mail those out, as well as we're gonna stop at Dunkin' Donuts because Ryder had donut munchkins, I think they're called munchkins, in Florida for the first time, and I prefer the munchkins over the actual donuts from Dunkin' Donuts, so we're gonna go get them just as a little treat because why not, and also it's boys day. So let's just get right into it and head to my favorite store, Target.
Thank you. Okay, put them away. Good job. One more.
All right, excuse all the background noise. There's a house being built literally right next door to us, but we are back from our little mini errand run, and we are going to have donuts. We are going to eat some donuts. But are you ready to eat some donuts? I'm gonna set this up on some coasters. Okay, this is good enough. We got some assorted munchkins. Ryder tried these in Florida and he loved it. I don't know what your favorite flavor is. Can you try it? I love the chocolate. Blueberry. In about an hour or so, we're gonna feed Ryder some lunch, and then he's gonna go down for a nap. All the construction. And then after his nap, I'm going to go to our church because I'm making some backdrops for the Mother's Day weekend, some photo booth backdrops, and I've been wanting to do these backdrops for so long, like this style. It's the arched and some dried florals, and Pono actually helped me cut them and sand them last night and plan them out. So I'm gonna go and paint them today. Then another day we're gonna assemble them, and then on Friday we're going to put all of the dried flowers on it and just set it up for the weekend. So I'll take you guys through that process, our little DIY arched photo backdrops. And
look, he just grabbed it himself.
Oh, he just grabbed a donut hole. See all of them in here? You couldn't wait. You were like, Mom, stop talking. I want a donut hole. You're a big boy, huh? Knuckles. Here are the backdrops. I couldn't have done it without Pono because he really helped me anchor these on. They're screwed on at the root, or what is it, the stem? The stem of the palm leaf is super sturdy, so that's screwed in directly into the wall, and then the other ones are tied onto that stem. Guys, it is Mother's Day and we're about to eat. The backdrops turned out really nice and I'm super happy with it. And yeah, now we're just spending the day. We actually took a nap after church. And what else did we do? Oh, we walked around the mall, had to make a return at TJ Maxx, and then we picked up food from CPK because we didn't really want to go out because we knew it would be crazy. So we're eating here at home. I'll show you what we got. We got the 2 for $25 deal. And Ryder, we made him some broccoli and cheese. Look, bud, broccoli and cheese. And then for us, we got the pepperoni pizza, and then it came with a chicken Caesar salad, some Mexican corn, and then lots of bread and herb oil, which is my favorite thing from CPK. Okay. Shh. Okay, I know. Shh. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. He almost jumped out because he was so scared.
That was crazy.
It's okay. Oh. I know, you almost jumped out, huh? I think the battery is going out on our, what is it called?
Smoke detector.
Smoke detector. So it just goes off randomly, and Ryder just freaked out. Why is it going off? Baby. Yes. You don't like that. You don't like that, huh? Oh my goodness, Knuckles. Okay, so yeah, anyways, that happened, and Ryder literally almost jumped out of his high chair. You don't like that, huh, bud? Yeah. Anyways, so that is how we're gonna end this vlog on that note. It's been a great Mother's Day, and it's been just a great week, and I got to show you some of the things that we've done. So yeah, thanks for tuning into this vlog. I'm gonna end it here, and if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and hope to post more vlogs and other content soon. I love doing the YouTube stuff, so yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Whoa, up close, Ryder. Oh, Ryder up close and personal. Oh my goodness. Oh, you can't eat the camera.